Hey guys, so I'm just making this quick video to show you the new scheduling calendar that we have in your online tracking sheet. So here I'm showing you a week that's been scheduled. So let's say if this was truly January 1st on the Monday, then we would be here on December 31st, okay, on the Sunday. And as you know, every Sunday we plan out the following week. So here I plan my sessions: strength 1, cardio 1, strength 2, strength 3, and I picked the appropriate option in the drop down. So today's a rest day, or tomorrow's a rest day, and then on Tuesday I've scheduled this. And what's going to happen is that as you go on, then you validate your session. So you put this one as completed, this one is completed. Maybe here you had to skip it because of work, okay? If you can always change this after. Do your strength 2 here, and once it's completed, you can here complete and complete again. And now you have your week that's fully done. On the Sunday, as you know, we plan the following week. So here maybe your work schedule changes. So you're going to have time on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And you're going to do strength 1, strength 2, cardio 1, and your strength 3. Here you have your rest days. So it literally takes you 15 seconds to plan your week, but that way we can have a good visual on the previous weeks, and at the end of the month know what you did, what you didn't do. If you do get sick, just write it in there, and so you can always, if you had a couple days of sickness, so you didn't do that one, that's okay. But at least at the end of the month, once you've validated everything, we have a really good visual on the month, what you've completed. And if we have too many sick days, maybe we have to ask questions about recovery, about training volume, about lifestyle, but that way we really get a good idea of what's going on. Hope you enjoy that. Talk to you soon.